A new partnership between Mamuda Group and the Prime Environment Cleaners Network Association is set to reach 10,000 households across Nigeria with hygiene education, professional cleaning services, and free cleaning products before the end of 2026. Addressing a news conference in Abuja, the president, Prime Environment Cleaners Network Association, Yakubu Yazeed, says, collaboration is key to tackling poor sanitation, disease outbreaks, and environmental challenges across the country, stressing that government cannot achieve a cleaner Nigeria alone. Yazeed said the association is partnering with Mamuda Group and engaging the Environmental Health Council of Nigeria to promote cleanliness and hygiene at the grassroots.
Sustainability is one thing we're also looking at in the course of anything we're doing. So we're looking at areas that are close to us first before we expand it into a full-blown movement. So at least before the end of the year, we can target at least 20 to 30 homes in these areas. They're already excited. We've done like 2 of their homes already.
Under the partnership, vulnerable families in Abuja will receive free professional cleaning services and Mamuda products to help maintain healthy homes. The initiative also includes support for trainees at the Cleaning Academy, bi-weekly community sanitation exercises under the Project Clean Abuja campaign, a reward system for clean communities, and sponsorship of the Cleaner Forum scheduled for August 20 in Abuja.
Reaching out to the community with our products that we love and build with passion is something that we've always been doing and we're happy to do. So we're looking at, let's say 5-10 cartons of detergent for a household.
The group added that the partnership will further promote healthier communities, prevent disease outbreaks, and advance the vision of a cleaner Nigeria. CNN News.